Your room is coming right up, right here. Oh, you have a big room. It's a nice special room just for you. Thank you, sir.
Welcome to your home away home.
Welcome to your home away from home. Thank you.
Wow! Don't touch it. Oh my gosh!
Oh, let me see. You messed up the balloon. Oh, let me see. Very nice.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Very nice. And you got real flowers. Thank you.
Hibiscus. I like hibiscus.
And look at your cake. You like mommy's decorations?
Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to the Siyam Villu Reef in the Maldives. Let me give you guys a quick tour of this room, and then we're gonna tour the property in its entirety. So let me flip the camera around, show you guys exactly what we're working. Yep, that's our room back there. Let me flip the camera around so you guys can see what we're working with. Alright, so here we go. Quite a few rooms over here, but there are only 4 with the large infinity pool, and we selected one of those. As you would expect, you have to pay more for those particular rooms. So as you come in, our room is 425. We got umbrellas that say the name of the hotel. We're already in, so let's go right in. All right, as you can see, all our luggages are in here already. They got a little mini twin bed right here. My daughter could sleep there if she wants. They brought us fruits. My daughter just dived right in. Bottle of champagne. As I said, we are here for my wife's birthday. So here we go. This is a nice room. Got a coffee maker. There is a mini fridge down here, and it is stacked to some extent. All right, let's keep going. Nice 40-something inch flat screen here. The guys are outside. So this is the first room. All right, here's the main master bedroom. Nice high ceilings. Bed is decorated for my wife for her birthday. It's a nice big room. Lots of lighting, natural and on the walls. Got a little desk work station here. I bought adapters, but obviously I didn't need to. I can return those to Amazon. Let's see. Door right here, sliding door to the balcony area. Look at this water, guys. Look at this water, crystal clear. Our pool is over there. Our pool. I'll get to that in a second. Let's keep going. Got another TV here. Looks like about a 42 to 46, somewhere there about. Oh, I love this ceiling. Oh, very nice, very nice. All right, let's keep going. There goes my daughter. All right, let's go to the get pretty area. So my wife, obviously, check your weight, how much pounds you gain before you. Booyah! All right, here we go. Blow dryer, adapter again, out exploring, in recovering. Have a window right there. Very nice. Have a safe, ironing board, laundry bag. They will do your laundry. They provide brand new slippers. They got tags on them. Here, it's very nice in here. Extra cushions, about a dozen or so hangers, 5, 10, 15, a little more, 15. Robes, full-length mirror. Let's keep it moving. I like this room. And here is the bathroom. Very nice. Very nice. His and hers. I love it. Look at the view from your tub. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And as you can see, coming right up. Let me close this for a second. Coming right up. Bidet, toilet, high ceilings again. Large standing shower. All right, let's go outside. It's nice in here. It is. This is a huge room. Don't let the wide angle of the GoPro fool you. It is a large room. It is. No exaggerating. It's a big place. Well, that's what we specifically wanted in comparison to some of the other rooms. So you pay for what you get. And here is the pool. To infinity and beyond. Nice. Where's Amelia? Oh, she's sleeping? Look at that crystal clear water, man. Oh, amazing. Amazing. And we will get sunset over here later on. So, we be here for that. Amelia?
I saved you!
Hi, say hi to the camera. There you go. Are you ready to go in your pool?
You go to the pool? You're not ready?
Or you want to go to the beach?
Beach or pool?
Beach or pool, you choose.
Where do you want to go? I'm ready.
And here is the bedroom is right there. Sliding door. Just awesome. Just awesome. Epic. 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 Worth every penny? I think so.
Is there anything in the water?
I just saw a nice blue fish. Oh, there it is. I don't know what that's called.
There's a bluefish.
It's a long. I don't know what that is.
You want to go down there? You didn't bring water shoes.
Holder. Hi. And that's our room. Oh, look, there's a lot of fishes under here. Those blue elongated fishes right here. Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see too. You see him?
Bend down.
Look.
Bend down.
Bend down. Look right there. You see him now? Look over there. Over there. Look. You see him?
Got her?
Yeah, I know you could swim, but I'm still holding you. Okay? I know you have graduated recently from your swim class and doing quite well, but I'm still holding you. Okay? All right. So say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, right. Can I let you go now?
No.
There you go. Hi.